Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and once again I welcome you to my IELTS speaking practice test video. Yes guys, in this video you are going to practice your IELTS speaking with me and I'm going to ask you the questions and you are going to answer. If you want to get the maximum benefit out of this video, it's a good idea to sit alone in a room. You should have a pen and paper so that you could jot down some notes for the cue card and try to watch this video without pausing it anywhere and try to communicate with me. Look into my eyes as I'm looking into your eyes right now, so you will have a feeling that actually you are giving your IELTS speaking test. So let's take a start. There will be the timer and you have to follow the timer. Try to keep your answers in that length. That is the standard length for your answers, and I'll give you my feedback also in the form of non-verbal gestures and facial expressions. So let's take a start. Before I go on, you must share this video if you really care, okay? Alright, so let's start. What's your name? Sweet name. Do you work or are you a student? Alright, shall we start your IELTS speaking test? Do you enjoy traveling? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? Have you done much traveling? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? Do you think it is better to travel alone or with other people, and why? Where would you like to travel in the future and why? Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Your 1 minute time starts now, and actually this is the cue card. On this cue card you have to speak, so your preparation time starts now. You'll now have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. How much time do children spend with their parents in your country? And why? Do you think that time is enough? How important do you think spending time together is for the relationships between parents and children, and why? Have relationships between parents and children changed in recent years, and why do you think that is? What are the most popular free time activities with children today? Do you think the free time activities children do today are good for their health? Why is this? How do you think children's activities will change in the future, and will this be a positive change? That is the end of your IELTS speaking test. May you have a fantastic day. Thank you very much. Alright guys, so how do you feel now? If you feel good and you want others to feel the same way, then you must share this video. Now this is compulsory for you to share this video so that others feel the same way about their IELTS speaking. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.